Hey everyone, it's Miss Min here. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to share a really easy and attractive job. Not this. This is too bad, but let's try this one. This is so beautiful and it's so pretty and easy to wear. So let's start the video. I explain step by step. Please watch till the end. It's so beautiful and so easy to wear. If you have a pearl necklace, you can use this in this way, and I am sharing two methods to fix your jewelry on your hijab or scarf. It is a 2-minute quick hijab tutorial for you, as Ramadan is coming, and in Ramadan you can do this on Aftari party or anywhere you are going. Hope you like this. I'll see you soon. Please subscribe, like, and share my video. Take care. Thank you so much.